अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं मोहम्मद जावेद, सच की आवाज़ NPS न्यूज़। देखिए आज की ताज़ा खबर।
Meeting about Manipur, this meeting is a national level, national all-party meeting. So AICC nominated me. I was attended there. Just immediate after that meeting is over, I came here for meeting Jairamji and my colleagues, other press friends. This is most unfortunate on my part. They are not giving the time which I know I cannot take much time. Even then, just around it may be 7-8 minutes maximum. More than that, they are not giving. What I started, thank you, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji. You have organized this all national level political party meeting after a gap of this 50 days. We hope that this type of meeting will be appropriate if the Honorable Prime Minister is share this type of meeting. I don't know whether they does not like to. And also then next I said that we thought that Manipur, though it is a small tiny state, but we hope that it's strategically bordering an international border of Myanmar with India. We thought that we are protecting our boundary. But even today, Honorable Prime Minister, why he did not